time. Children, today I have got something very interesting for you. Can you tell me what it is? It is a clock, Mama. We see the time with it. Very good. Do you know how to see the time on it? Not very well, Mama. We get confused. Let me try to make it easy for you. Now, look at the clock and listen carefully. A clock has markings for hours and minutes. The markings with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 are hour markings. The smaller markings between two hour markings are the minute marking. A clock has two hands. The smaller hand is the hour hand, and the longer hand is the minute hand, hour hand. The minute hand is the faster hand, while the hour hand covers only 5 markings from one number to the other. The minute hand takes one full circle of the clock face. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Mama, how do we read time on a clock? We read time in hours and minutes. The position of the hour hand or shorter hand shows the hours. Hour hand, it is written as the number in it pointing at or has passed by. For example, if the hour hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 12, we write 6 o'clock or 6 o'clock. O'clock is the short form for off the clock. Remember, children, the two dots that we write to show time separate the hours and minutes. Can anyone give me an example? Mama, an example can be 7 o'clock, which means 7 o'clock. Mama, how do we read the minute hand of the clock? As you can see, there are 60 markings on the clock face. Each marking is for 1 minute. The big markings are with numbers. There are 4 small markings at equal distance between two big markings. When the minute hand is at a bigger marking, we calculate the minutes by multiplying the number at the marking by 5. For example, if the minute hand is at 3, it means 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 minutes. When the minute hand is at 3, it shows 15 minutes. It is called quarter past. In this clock, the minute's hands is at 3. So, it is 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15 minutes. The hour hand has crossed 6. Thus, it is 6 hours. So, the time is 6:15 or quarter past 6. Remember, children, when we divide a clock into 4 parts, each part is a quarter. Quarter past is used for the first quarter. Mama, what is the meaning of half past? If the minute hand is at 6, it shows 30 minutes. It is called half past. The hour hand has crossed 6. Thus, it is 6 hours. The time is 6:30 or half past 6. Remember, children, when we divide a clock into 2 parts, each part is a half. Half past is used for the first half. Can anyone tell me what is quarter to? Yes, Mama, I know what it is. Can I explain it? Sure, Sharvi. When we divide a clock into 4 parts, each part is a quarter. Quarter to is used for the fourth quarter. In the hour-minute format, we read the hour hand by the bigger marking the hand has crossed. However, in the quarter to format, we read the hour hand by the bigger marking the hand is about to reach. Also, in quarter to format, the minute hand is at 9, showing 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 45 minutes. Let me explain this with the help of our clock. The minute hand is at 9 and the hour hand has just crossed 1 and is about to reach 2. So, the time is 1:45 or quarter to 2. That's excellent, Sharvi. I am sure you will be able to read the time now. Yes, Mamma, we will be able to read time easily now.